Hello guys, so as you can see I already did it. I did it the hooks. Let's see if it works, and this supposedly it will look on the final piece with holes. I will do holes to the glue get even harder on the piece and glue them together. I will look like something like this. I think I scrape the glue, the leather glue, to have even more greater surface to the glue to glue and let's see how it will work out in the final. Guys, is already gluing. I think it's having a better result than the GBL. Let's see in the final, but I think it is. We need to wait to this to glue strong and see what is going with this. So guys, let's see if the fix, I already glue it on the place. Let's see if the fix will work. Chana! It's not perfect. I don't like the gap, but it's really nice. It's not pending on the roof and hit you in the head. Yeah, I know my liner is a little bit shitty, needs to be refurbished, but very nice. I'm very happy with the end up result. I don't like the gap in here. It's like forcing. I will take it back and work it more to see if it goes in the place and not forcing it. But I'm very pleased with the final result. Hope you like the video. Hope that helped you too. And have a great week.